how to turn on or turn off camera tracking autofocus on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then launch the camera app. Next, tap on the control button and then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, we scroll down and tap on tracking autofocus. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch it off. Here, if this is turned on, it keeps the rear camera focus on the selected subject even if they moved. Finally, tap on the back key to go back to your camera or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.